OnePlus 10 Pro is expected to be released on February 28, 2022. This OnePlus model comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage and is available in black and green color. Expected price of this phone is $1,267. The smartphone contains a Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm chipset, which is the most powerful chipset, and a 2.84 GHz octa-core processor to make the device incredibly speedy. Furthermore, this smartphone has an Adreno 730 GPU. The smartphone has a 6.7-inch display screen with a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels and a Full HD Plus resolution. The new OnePlus 10 Pro comes with an LTPO2 AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, which is the most recent and well known for its excellent performance. A triple camera arrangement can be seen on the back of the phone. The OnePlus 10 Pro's main sensor will be 48 megapixels f1.8 aperture wide, 8 megapixels f2.4 aperture telephoto and 50 megapixels f2.2 aperture ultra wide. The phone's front camera has 32 megapixels with an f2.2 aperture, making it easier and more attractive to take selfies. The smartphone contains an optical fingerprint sensor hidden under the display that protects the data on the device and only allows authorized users to use it. The OnePlus 10 Pro will be powered by a LiPo 5000 mAh non-removable battery with support for 80-watt fast charging. The operating system of this smartphone is Android 12.1. Corning Gorilla Glass Vitis protects the smartphone. This phone also has dual SIM, 5G, 120 Hz display, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C 3.1, USB on the go, NFC, GPRS, accelerometer, color spectrum, compass, gyroscope, and proximity. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching.